Well then, the new design is coming soon. I'm Rabia. I'm from Jordan. I come from a family that runs a clothing business. In my life, I studied under a French designer, hoping one day to create a famous international fashion brand. I came to China in 2017 and decided to settle here. This is one of my studios, where I design my clothes brand with my Chinese partner. We cooperate with more than 200 international brands around the world. Our production sold in South and North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Middle East, and Australia, of course.
It's a natural
Oh, this is the silk.
Yes.
Oh.
And it's so many steps to make this very difficult. The design is also traditional. 我觉得我们现在可以做新的国潮，让全世界都看到中国的元素。
Okay.
你看，这一个凤凰其实是非常漂亮的一个图案。它很世界化，所以的话，这个图案完全是可以用在我们的新 design 里面。
People often categorize fashion trends by their country origin, such as Western, Japanese, Korean, and British styles. Nowadays, Chinese style has taken the lead in global fashion trends. There is an ancient Chinese saying, "Harmony in diversity, beauty shared." I really like Foshan, it's charming. I love the livable environment here. I love the long history and rich traditional culture here. The ancient streets, traditional handcrafts and unique folk activities fascinate me. I love the leisurely life here. I'm willing to put down my Arabic coffee, taste a cup of Chinese tea in a quiet corner, enjoy the beautiful scenery around, looking for my design inspiration. Of course, I also love the people here. They are hardworking and simple, full of passion for life